Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can insert 3D models directly on Microsoft Word. So what exactly are 3D models? So 3D models are simply pictures of, 3D models of pictures that you can find directly on the internet or import them directly from your device on Microsoft Word. So you'll be able to move around those pictures. Now, how exactly can you import those pictures? It's pretty simple. The way to do this will simply be by going on the Insert tab right here. So you click on it, and here you will be able to see the little 3D model icon that is just here. By clicking here, you'll be able to import the 3D model directly from your device. Like for me personally, I don't have a 3D model on my device. Or you'll be able to have access to 3D models on the internet. So if we go here, for example, you can look for a 3D model. You can select one. So let's go here and select one 3D model. Let's select this one, for example. And we can import the model. So it will take a few seconds in order to import the model. But what exactly is cool with those things is that you can really turn them around, play with them. So it's really a nice way to present a presentation, or if you have a report to write, it could be pretty interesting. So this is an example of a 3D model that you can have. So as I said, you can pretty much look everywhere on that 3D model. So you can completely turn it around and play with that 3D model. So as you can see, there is a lot of 3D models that exist. And you can do pretty much whatever you want with those 3D models. So you can modify them like you want. You can put them in the center. You can make them wider, smaller. So it's like a normal picture. The only difference is that it's in 3D and you can see the whole picture in 3D. So once again, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.